Hi guys, we're back with Hoodie. So we're working him on his hand signal training. So I can get him to go there or there and back to there and then to here. I probably couldn't get him to go there and back to here because he would get sucked into that bed like a vortex. Anyway, but I can get him to understand. I've actually seen people that can train dogs to handle without really doing it, like with a training program. I've seen it. I had one. I was so desperate to figure out what you wanted. If it thought you were helping it in any way, even Grits was like that. It would look where you were. So smart that tool does. Alright, so I'm just going to step in that direction, indicate in that direction. Fitch. Be alright. In your place. Good. Down. Probably should teach him a reset in that place. Right now I can bring him back. Move. Heel. Hold that pager down the whole time. Oh, as long as he gets his prizes. Guard the camera, exit stage right. He's rotten this one. Oh, he's got to have his own little bed everywhere he goes. Alright, so I'm going to set him over here. He can see it. It's not, it's not like he needs to remember it's there. That's why we're going to go for that plastic bag over there. You know what? I might just make him go get that plastic bag. Alright, so I'm going to step that way and indicate that way. Oh, he spotted it right away. Good boy. In your place. Heel. Oh, he decided to skip the middle part. So he just goes straight to heel. Alright, I can probably get him to pick up that plastic bag, guys. There's some practical application. Heel. Heel. Precious one. He spins like a top. Need to get him like a little clown costume. Heel. Alright, let's see if I can pick this up. Oh, you are fetch. Heel. That way Crystal can have an assistant if she's picking up the yard. We can hold the plastic bags. In your place. He's kind of the opposite of pushing everybody. No, he likes to go to his place. What I can do really is help him. Even though he is doing a very, very good job of running, I can't tell you guys how much I love this dog. This is really a tremendous, tremendous animal. When people tell me it's the sweetest dog you've ever seen, I have to try to imagine a dog sweeter than this. Alright, so I'm just going to bring him back. The way I'm situated right here, it's going to tend to make him go that way. You see, I gotta watch what I'm doing with my hands. Oh, he spotted that. But he's perfect. He's absolutely perfect. Bye, guys.